battery stacked all-in-one 6 kilowatts 20 kWh. Household energy storage battery. With an inverter adopts a modular stacking design, which has the advantages of being freely stacked according to the power demand. Easy capacity expansion. Wiring and cost reduction. Safety and beauty. It supports all charging methods such as grid power, PV, Wi-Fi, etc. Even though a grid power outage or no power zone, it can achieve off-grid application without relying on the grid power, without fear of power outage. Battery level.